Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Blockchain in Plain English. Today I'm going to go back to basics about what is cryptocurrencies. And oh, by the way, if you can hear animal noises because I'm outside today, it's a very lovely sunny day, so I'm out in nature. All right, cryptocurrencies and ICO. ICO stands for Initial Coin Offerings. What is cryptocurrency? This website is from moneysmart.gov.au. Cryptocurrencies, also known as virtual currencies or digital currencies, are a form of electronic money. They do not physically exist as coins or notes. A cryptocurrency unit, such as Bitcoin or Ether, is a digital token, and these tokens are created from a code using encrypted strings of data blocks known as blockchain. So I'm hoping that by now you understand what a blockchain is. You don't really need to understand too deeply what it is. It's basically an architecture where a block contains an information and there's a chain of blocks, and each block, once it's created, is immutable, meaning that it cannot be tampered with. So cryptocurrency is a digital token. It can be used as a currency, like if you want to buy a loaf of bread kind of thing, but also can be used to pay for transactions. So in a case where there's a technology in a financial institution, maybe cryptocurrency can be used to pay for your money transfer. So it can be used to pay for service of the particular blockchain you're looking at, or it can be used by everyday person like you and I to purchase something. And we've talked about in previous videos about payment apps. There's crypto.com, there's Swipe. There's lots of payment apps out there that are starting to take cryptocurrency and help vendors to sell their products and accept cryptocurrencies. PayPal is working to accept cryptocurrency as well. And we've also looked at the different governments around the world who are digitizing their money. So if we continue down this page, so using cryptocurrencies, I've explained to you just now how initial coin offerings work. So an ICO is the way that a project can raise money over the internet. So we look at CoinSpot here. All these are projects. All these here listed on the left, they are projects. So in my videos, we've looked at Chainlink, we've looked at XRP for a little bit, we've looked at CRO, and we've looked at VeChain. So those are all projects. They help you, by way of technology, solve problems in the real world. So like VeChain helping supply chain, Chainlink with their Internet of Things, and so on and so forth. So if we put it into real life example that you may know now, it's like how Amazon is solving the problem of by online shopping. We also have Zero solving the problem of online accounting. So all those were initially projects, right? The Zero project, the Amazon project. Now in blockchain, we have these projects here leveraging the blockchain technology, trying to solve different problems. And the cryptocurrency, so for example, let's take an example of Chainlink. In order to use Chainlink's service, you pay using Chainlink coin. So that's how the coins are being used. If we go back to MoneySmart here, there are white papers. White papers tells you in detail about what the project's aiming to do, basically. So this is where my channel comes in. I try to decipher all these techie speak and give it to you in plain English. So if you look at my video on Chainlink, that's in plain English. All of my coverage is in plain English, so you don't need to understand techie stuff. What I do want to cover today is the risk of investing in cryptocurrencies and ICO. given that the current prices of all these crypto are currently, dipping, there's a pullback. It's a good time to buy into these and invest in these projects. But I do want to let you know what are the risks. The values do fluctuate. So if we look at Bitcoin, which is the real known cryptocurrency out there, this is an hourly price movement. You can see its movement here up and down and really steeply down here. But if you then look at the day, there is still fluctuations there, but less so if you look at the bigger scheme of things. But these fluctuations are showing of the fact that unlike the traditional stock market, the cryptocurrency investment is not yet mainstream investment. And so therefore the people participating in the world is around about 1% or less. So if you talk about your average Joe, your neighbor, your friends, they probably understand stock market investing, but do they know cryptocurrency investing? Probably not, and that's why the prices or fluctuates very often, because there's only a few number of people at the moment who invest. So say for example one person can own say maybe 50% of the coins. If that one person sells all those 50%, then of course it's going to drive the price down because it's a dump by one big holder. So until there's massive adoptions of the cryptocurrencies, we can't expect the price to be as stable as other investments. However, this is how you make your money. The constant changing prices can be seen as a good thing if you know when to buy and when to get out. But not all cryptocurrencies are this volatile either. There are others who are less volatile. So if you want to look at those, check out my other videos, but I've covered those. If we continue on the risk of cryptocurrency investing, your money could be stolen. All right. So given that we keep mostly our cryptocurrency, which is a digital token, online, because that's where we transact them. So for example, I use CoinSpot here, and once I buy a token, it gets kept in my wallet here. So with anything on the internet and online, it is hackable. A hacker can come in and take that money off you. Of course, we've put in many measures such as two-factor authentication and so on and so forth. So, and that's also the reason why I urge you to use an email address that only you know and only you use for trading, not something that you use for your Facebook or other means. Same thing with a password. So although you have safeguard these measures, maybe even your closest friend can hack your account because you accidentally told them your password. It's possible. Now, a way to keep your digital token safe is to have what they call a cold wallet. So I'll cover this in a bit more detail in future video, but one that I use is Ledger Nano X, and in Australia I got them from bitgear.com.au. And hey, no one sponsors me here. I'm small fry. No one cares about my existence. I'm just here to let you guys know. And a cold wallet, the intention is it being offline and it's a hardware. So you transfer your digital tokens to this USB wallet and you put your wallet away. So it's not connected to any internet, it's offline and it's stored away. And when you want to use it, you transfer the money back from this cold wallet into a transacting wallet, if you will, such as your CoinSpot wallet or your crypto.com wallet and others. If you hear that someone about to mow the lawn, like I said, I am outside at this very moment. Another risk is the cryptocurrency scam and ICO scam. ICO scam is and cryptocurrency scams pretty much the same. It's people pretending to be someone they're not, trying to get money off you. And the number of scams we've seen in crypto world is increasing lately. So the popular crypto bloggers, their video, in between their videos they have these ads, and they're all scammy ads, and they're predominantly targeting the US at the moment, but it can happen to anyone anywhere. So that's another reason why I keep a separate email address that no one knows, just for your exchanges. And hey, that's why you use something that's legit. Like in Australia, use coinspot.com.au. It's regulated. It's trustworthy. Do not just send money to some website that claim that they're, I am VeChain website, buy the V token from this website. No, use a trusted exchange. So like I said, I use CoinSpot, and like I said, I am not affiliated with anyone. This is just my own ideas. All right. So there's a story here about how Red is scammed $97,000 by a fake endorsement. So yes, you may follow a popular YouTuber on their crypto analysis, or someone like me. Someone like me even can have malicious people commenting on my videos, urging you to click on a link that they've created. Don't do that. Just stick to what you know and go to CoinSpot. It's something that's is regulated, like I said before. And also, when you follow someone on YouTube or listen to their advice, do your own research always, because you don't know if that person's legit or not. Look, whatever I say, you need to do your own research too. But I'm pretty sure I have encroached on my 15 limit video time. Usually I would like to keep my video 15 minutes and under, but if you want to know more about investing in cryptocurrencies and ICOs, this site is pretty good for beginners, moneysmart.gov.au. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, tell your friends if you find this video helpful. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.